Today we're going to go over how to view an Android's data usage. So we're going to just drop down from the top here and go to settings, or go to settings from the app drawer, however you prefer to go to it. And depending on the phone for Android, it can be a little different. Overall though, you go to settings, there should be something there for most devices that says device usage. Some phones have a little bit different, where you go into network and internet and then data usage, or wireless and connections and then data usage. Overall, you can also just go back and just search for data usage. Pretty simple. Now, here we can see that I actually have used quite a bit since my data started. So I can actually set a warning to let me know whenever I'm hitting my target, which is actually 5 gigs. So I put mine to 4. Underneath here, it says I have 4 gigs remaining. Sorry, my 4 gigs warning. I can have data saver if I'm on particular versions of Android, which, as this is saying, one app is allowed unrestricted data with data saver on. To help reduce data usage, data saver prevents some apps from sending or receiving data in the background. An app you're currently using can access data but may do less frequently. This may mean, for example, that images don't display until you tap them, say in WhatsApp. So let's actually see what's been using some of my data. I click that. Then I get the drop down to see exactly what my cycles are, and I can always change my cycles by different methods. But let's go to January. Okay, and let's go back to this month. So we can see for this month I've used a little bit of a spike right there. This is not going based on anyone's usage other than mine. This is not going by the companies. This is what my phone is reporting. It may be slightly different than the companies, but chances are it's probably not. So we can see that I've been using quite a lot, and Twitch is actually my second one. So let's see what's been going on there. So I just tap on that. Again, I can view by whichever month period. I see the total amount, the foreground, which means that I was actively using it, and that there was some background usage, which means that I was not having the app open, but it was still using data. Right here, I actually have that ticked on. Not sure why I do. And then I have the option for unrestricted data usage. Again, this is only here for certain versions of Android, so don't expect that one to always be there. So you can either turn that off so that, there's not really any issues. And now you know exactly how to view your data usage and actually go through your usage.